the fuck is on his damn wipers? Need to put red ties around this shit. I'm being like you, Pops. Think outside the box.
He wasn't nowhere near the box with that one.
Nah, I would have like drilled holes into the thing instead of tying it around the rubber part. And just made sure. Well, what was it? Probably is because I ain't really check it. Probably the rubber was breaking off.
No, he said he bought the wrong size. And he just put it on there, I guess, until he can get another pair and probably forgot.
Damn.
His little his little childhood friend is my new patient.
His?
From Columbus.